Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BigQuery row-level security with authorized views step-by-step clearly. To enable BigQuery row-level security with authorized views, start by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section from the left-hand menu. Select the project where your dataset is located. Identify the dataset you wish to modify for row-level security. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to create authorized views. Create a new view by clicking on the Create View option. In the query editor, write a SQL query that filters rows based on conditions relevant to your use case. Include a where clause to define the rules for row-level security. Use user attributes such as current_user to restrict access dynamically. After finalizing the query, click on the Save button to name your view. Next, navigate to the dataset's access control settings. Click on the Add Principal button to grant access. Enter the email addresses of users or groups who should access the authorized view. Assign the role of BigQuery Data Viewer to these users or groups. Ensure that your main table also has access permissions set for the authorized view. Set the authorized view as the primary method of accessing the data for the designated users. Test the access by using the view with different user accounts to confirm row-level security is functioning. Monitor and adjust user permissions as necessary to maintain data security. Keep documentation updated regarding the access controls and the logic of your authorized view. Regularly review and audit access levels to ensure compliance with your organization's data policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.